Okay, it's kind of getting darker. It's about 7:20 p.m. right now. I had to charge up my phone. I had the generator and I got the phone all charged up now, and I got my firewood stacked. That's how I'm going to do it this time. So I'm going to get the fire lit here. I have a feeling it's going to be a pretty good fire. Let's hope anyways. I would have started earlier, but of course I wanted to turn up the phone and I wanted to get the lighting of the fire filmed, so I had to wait. It's going to be getting dark, too dark pretty soon. I'll have to make sure that I do things earlier tomorrow night. And I think the fire's going to take, so pretty good firewood. Yeah, the fire is turning out pretty good. But before it gets too dark, I better show what I'm going to have for brats. I've trying something new. I've never had it before, but these are chicken sausages. I hope this is focusing all right and everything. But it'll have bourbon apple. So I'm going to try that tonight. And just in case I don't like it, I do have my normal brats that I usually have. But I just wanted to try something I never had before. So I don't have my cast iron pan because it's when I left the Grand Teton National Park, I left it in the van with my brother. When I went, because after that I wouldn't be using it anymore because I was going to Sturgis. I was nowhere where there's no campfires allowed, so I didn't need it for the remainder of the trip. So, anyways, that's why I don't have the cast iron pan. Otherwise, I probably would have had something in that. But wow, look at that fire going. Yep, it ain't gonna go out now. Yeah, but anyways, that's the deal for now. And of course, I'm going to have my regular s'mores too. Nice fire. But anyways, I'll probably do one more clip for sure after this. Maybe more, depending on the lighting situation. If it shows up on the screen on the phone, no, I will. But we'll see. You know what's funny? After I did that previous clip, I remembered I have my LED light with. I just mounted on right on top of the camera there. So, all right. So I can do some more filming in the dark. And yeah, it's dark now. Get this ready. And these chicken sausages come individually wrapped. So wow. Got my garbage bag right down there. I get my buns ready first. Okay. Fork ready. Okay, now let's take and see if I can. I'll show you the fire in a little bit here. I think I'm going to roast both at the same time. Normally I just do one at a time, but okay, I'm going to re-aim the camera towards the campfire here. fire's plenty hot. Ooh. Use a light to see. Whew. Yeah, I think they're ready. Okay, time for the taste test. I better have this. Better have that within reach just in case. Right, here we go. Hmm. Hmm. I would say it's pretty good. I should have roasted them longer though. But yeah, they are good. Okay, it's really dark here, but anyways, better take a look at the campfire to see how it burned down. And I have not touched it at all. Ever since I lit it, I just let it sit. I did nothing at all. And this is what it looks like. Burnt down really good. Didn't have to touch it. I'm gonna take a little look all the way around here. I'm still putting out really good heat too. There we go. And I think, see, I don't want to get the phone too hot and close to it, so I'll stand back here. Okay. I think this is a good way to end the video. I'm still going to be roasting the marshmallows, but now it's just too dark and too much of a hassle to turn the light on and rotate it around and everything. So I think I'm just going to wrap up this video now. Thanks for watching, and tomorrow I plan on doing some more trails. I know there's two for sure. And I'm going to go down the park drive again, but this time I'm going to be doing some stops. The ride I did today was just a ride straight through. I'm just going to show clips in this video, and then the complete ride, it's going to be a separate, entirely separate video. So, anyways, that's the plan. Anyways, hopefully, as long as the cameras work. Sometimes I have issues with them not behaving like they should. But yeah, it's nice just to look at the campfire. But there we go. So once again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.